You agree with that? That, the perception was very different, and now suddenly, the person who, there was all sorts of actions against being moved, impeachment moved, etc., now suddenly has become a darling of the opposition.
See, it's not like that. We always had a very strained relationship with him, for sure. But as far as this ill health theory is concerned, even the health minister of the country cannot believe it. Only two persons can explain, apart from Mr. Danga, Prime Minister and Amit Shah ji, what actually led to the resignation of Danga all of a sudden. Because I saw him in the yesterday morning. He was so enthusiastic, vocal as usual, and he had planned for some future days actions also, coming days, and as stated by my colleague from SP, that he was supposed to visit Rajasthan tomorrow. A lot of action plan was also there. All of a sudden, how did he resign? This is the question. So let us confine to that question. Other theories, what we had talked about him in the past, that is irrelevant now. Of course, as I told you, we had a strained relationship. But the point is that his initiative to move forward with the impeachment motion, that notice was served, and that can be cited as one of the valid reasons which led to the resignation of Vice President.
Why is that? Because the government was not on the same page? Is that what you're saying?
See, BJP had no interest to challenge the judiciary because that was just an eyewash. They must have served a notice.
But they moved in the Lok Sabha.
Of course, so what? So what? Just to keep it there.
Just to keep it there?
Of course. It's not going to happen, for sure. Now they are compelled to move forward with it. Because the chairman resigned. Now, no options left out. They have to move forward. That carry forward it.
क्या आप इससे सहमत है सिग्रीवाल जी कि अब गवर्नमेंट को फोर्स किया गया एक तरह से इस पूरे जस्टिस वर्मा वाले मामले में मोशन को आगे ले जाने के लिए, और वो प्रेशर कहीं ना कहीं चेयर से राज्यसभा के चेयरमैन के द्वारा ये किया गया है, ये इनका मानना है?
नहीं, एकदम कहीं भी सत्यता से परे है, सत्य से मैंने उसमें तालमेल ही नहीं हो रहा। और वास्तव में है कि लोकसभा में ऑलरेडी बीजेपी ने कल ही लोकसभा के माननीय अध्यक्ष जी को उसके ऐसी में प्रस्ताव दिया है, उसमें सभी विपक्ष के भी लोग थे, और लगभग इस मुद्दे पर, जस्टिस वर्मा जी के मुद्दे पर लगभग दोनों सदन के लगभग सदस्य एक साथ खड़े हैं। सरकार भी उसमें चाह रही है, सरकार के तरफ से नहीं भले, लेकिन हमारे माननीय सभी सांसद वहां मिलकर के उन्होंने दिया है। तो इसमें कहीं कोई मैंने कहा ना कि कहीं से किसी चीज को जोड़ दो, यह विपक्ष की एक बड़ी कला है, बारीकी है कि किसी तरीका से कहीं से जोड़ करके उसको देखने लगो।
अरे भाई जो सही है, कनेक्टिंग टू थिंग्स व्हिच आर अनकनेक्टेड। रिस्पोंड टू हिम प्लीज।
No, that is not correct. So we have served a notice. 63 of us had signed on it. Okay, 63. No one from BJP. And for us, no, Dangar is BJP's own man, their own creation. But this again shows the mysterious way of dealing things at top level by BJP. Vijay Rubani had a disgraceful exit long ago from the chief ministership of Gujarat. This is always happening with BJP. If the two like someone, they can be a leader. If the two dislike, then of course they have to go out. This is the simple.
क्या सहमत है इनसे?
एकदम मैंने कहीं हमने कहा कि असहमति का, फिर हमारे पूज्य विजय रूपानी जी के बाद आज माने किसी एक्सीडेंट में जिनके मौत उनको भी लिया घसीट देना। नहीं, नो।
Okay, yeah, he is no longer there to defend himself, is his point. But let's come back.
No, इसमें कहीं कोई तारतम्य नहीं। कोई आज कुछ दिन पहले जब मैंने पूरा देश जिस पर शोक व्यक्त किया और उस व्यक्ति का नाम भी इसमें घोषित देना।
See, the point is that kindly go through the statement issued by Mr. Vijay Rubani.
Okay.
Vijay Rubani's statement is there, very much in the public domain.
Okay.
It is in the public domain, Vijay Rubani's statement.
Okay. Let's